Trapped. Do you feel it? That nagging feeling deep in your soul every single morning when the alarm clock screams you awake. It's the feeling of being stuck, trapped in a cycle that someone else designed for you. You wake up, you commute, you work a job that drains your life force. You come home exhausted and you do it all over again. They call it the rat race. But it feels more like a cage built from bills, expectations, and the quiet desperation of an unlived life. You look around and see the bars, but they aren't made of steel. They're made of fear, doubt, and the belief that this is all there is. You know, deep down, you were made for more than just paying bills and dying. Is this all there is? You have tried everything, haven't you? You've listened to the gurus, you've read the books, you've tried to manifest your dreams, you've visualized the money, the success, the freedom, but when you open your eyes, the same walls are staring back at you. The bank account is still empty, the opportunities you crave seem to fall into everyone else's lap but yours. It feels like you're shouting into a void, and the universe just isn't listening. This is the critical moment. This is where most people give up. They decide that manifestation is a fantasy and that the rat race is their unchangeable reality. They let the fire inside them die out and they accept the cage. But you are not most people. What if I told you there is one key, one master switch that changes everything? It's not about working harder or wishing louder. It's about changing your fundamental energy. It's about elevating your vibration. When you elevate your vibration, you don't just feel better. You become a magnet for everything you desire. Money, wealth, love, and opportunities are not just things you chase. They are energetic frequencies you must match. When your manifestation seems far away, it's a signal. It's a sign that your vibration is out of alignment. Keeping that vibration high is not just a suggestion, it is mandatory for your escape. Feel better, attract money, find love, escape. Forget everything you think you know about struggle. Today, right now, we are going to give you the path, a clear, direct, and powerful path to raising your vibration so high that the cage of the rat race simply dissolves around you. We will show you how to feel better instantly, how to turn that feeling into a magnetic force for wealth, and how to finally, once and for all, break free. This isn't a long, slow journey. This is about making a decision to change your energy fast. Your new life is not on the other side of a 5-year plan. It's on the other side of your next thought. It's time to stop chasing and start attracting. Are you ready to elevate? Are you ready to live? Let's begin. What frequency are you on? So what is this vibration we're talking about? Let's break it down. Forget the complicated science for a moment. Think of yourself as a living, breathing radio station. Every single moment of the day, you are broadcasting a signal out into the universe. That signal is your vibration. It's the energy you put out into the world. Just like a radio, you can be tuned to different frequencies. You can be tuned to the frequency of static, frustration, lack. Or you can be tuned to the frequency of clarity, power, abundance. You are the one controlling the dial. The problem is, most people don't even know they have a dial to turn. They are broadcasting on a default station of struggle, and they wonder why all they get back is more struggle. Stuck on the wrong channel. Your vibration is not some mystical, invisible force. It is the sum total of your energy in any given moment. It's your dominant emotional state. It's what you're feeling right now. Are you feeling angry, frustrated, worried? That's a low, heavy, dense vibration. It's like broadcasting a signal for more things to be angry and worried about. Or are you feeling joyful, grateful, excited? That's a high, light and powerful vibration. That's the signal that tells the universe to send you more experiences that create joy, gratitude and excitement. You cannot tune in to 98.7 FM and expect to hear the broadcast from 105.1 FM. It's impossible. You have to tune your receiver to the frequency you want to experience. Your life is the same. Tune in to abundance. This isn't just a metaphor, everything is energy. Science tells us this. Your thoughts are electrical impulses in your brain. Your feelings create chemical reactions in your body. All of this generates a tangible, energetic field around you. This is your vibration. When you're stuck in the rat race, you're broadcasting the frequency of not enough. Not enough time, not enough money, not enough freedom. The universe, which is an impartial mirror, simply reflects that signal back to you, giving you exactly what you are broadcasting. More, not enough. To change your reality, you must first change the broadcast. You must deliberately, consciously, and forcefully turn the dial to a new station, the station of more than enough. You are a human transmitter. Think about the people you know. Some people walk into a room and they light it up. Other people walk in and they suck the energy right out of the room. They complain, they worry, and their lives seem to be a constant stream of bad luck. This is not a coincidence. This is vibration in action. These individuals are broadcasting different signals and getting different results. The good news: your current broadcast is not your destiny. It is just your habit. And today you are going to learn how to break that habit and become a master of your own frequency. You will become the person who lights up the room. Your thoughts create your feelings. Let's go deeper. How do you actually change your vibration? It starts with one thing: your feelings. Your feelings come from your thoughts and your focus. Where focus goes, energy flows. If you are constantly focusing on your debt, on the job you hate, on how unfair life is, you are generating the feelings of despair, anger, and victimhood. These feelings aren't just in your head, they're real. They trigger stress hormones like cortisol, muscles tense, a low, heavy, disorganized vibration forms. You are physically creating energy of lack inside your body. Your body becomes a prison of negativity. It attracts matching circumstances. Flip the switch. Change your focus. What happens when you change your focus? What if, even for just 60 seconds, you focus on something you are grateful for? Your health, a loved one, the sun on your face, a past victory, a time you felt proud and powerful. Instantly, your brain chemistry shifts. It releases feel-good chemicals like dopamine, serotonin. Your posture straightens. Your breathing deepens. Your whole energetic state changes. You've changed your vibration from lack to gratitude and power. This is repeatable and biological. You control it. You are the chemist of your emotional state. This is your energy on a high vibration. This is your energy on a low vibration. There is fascinating evidence of this principle. Experiments with water crystals showed how thoughts and feelings could alter water. Water exposed to love, gratitude formed beautiful, complex, symmetrical crystals. Water exposed to hate, fear formed ugly, distorted, incomplete shapes. Now consider this. Your body is over 70% water. What do you think your constant thoughts and feelings are doing to the very structure of your being? You're creating either a beautiful internal symphony or a chaotic, low vibration mess. Your inner world shapes your outer world. Change your feeling, change your luck. Let me give you a real-world example. Think of Sarah, who was stuck in a dead-end job. Every morning she woke up dreading the day, focusing on her boss, her mean co-workers, and her tiny paycheck. Her vibration was at rock bottom. One day she decided to try something different. For just 5 minutes before work, she would dance to her favorite song. She forced herself to smile. It felt fake at first, but then a small shift happened. She felt a tiny bit lighter. That day, a co-worker unexpectedly complimented her. The next day she did it again. A new project or opportunity came up. These weren't huge lottery wins, just small tangible results, direct feedback from the universe that her signal was changing. She was moving the dial. If you found value in the video, subscribe to the channel to get more tips, a small gesture to help me to generate more content.